Mary Mbayiwa's trial charges of attempting to kill her ex-husband, VP Chiwenga, by unplugging the hospital life support system and attempting to sneak him out of the ward continued yesterday, with the third security officer giving his testimony. Sabina mashoko ashamisa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa security officer anokoti the CIO amudachara mashoko achiti aiwa Mary did not or I didn't see her pulling out the cables not was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. TV Napayendo is Mr. Andrew Mugari, who was one of the security officers who accompanied the Vice President Chiwenga to South Africa to seek medication in 2019, appeared before Magistrate Ms. Feresi Chakanyuka. During cross-examination by Mbayiwa's lawyer, Ms. Beatrice Muthetwa, he said he saw VP Chiwenga at the door going outside the hospital and ward with Mbayiwa behind him. Mr. Mugari said he did not see who removed the tubes from the VP's body, and all he knew was that they were just the two, Mbayiwa and the VP in the ward, so they were the only ones who knew who removed the tubes. He held VP Chiwenga back to his bed and called a nurse who came and reattached the tubes. Mr. Mugari said he saw some blood stains under VP's bed and on the right side of the t-shirt that he was wearing. Yesterday, the third security officer testified in Mary Mbayiwa's trial on charges that she tried to assassinate the VP by turning off the hospital life support system and sneaking him out of the ward. Ndo mashoko atikuona kuti aiwa atikuona kuti this CIO officer anoya achipupura chokwadi chakaona chiti aiwa andinomuona aiwa Mary achi unplugger all these tubes, but muchiona nekusafa kwaari kuita, muchiona nekuamputiwa kwakaitwa the leg and the arm, vanhu vanonyaso kuona kuti aiwa Mary Mbayiwa ari panguva yakaoma nokuda maybe nemhosva yasina kupara. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nakombe section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, sama subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.